In Germany, over 200,000 fires are reported each year. The figures are shocking. 600 deaths, 6,000 severe injuries, 60,000 minor injuries, not to mention the billions in damage to property. According to fire statistics from German fire insurance providers for the year 2010, more than a quarter of these fires can be attributed to electrical faults. Arc fault detection units identify many of these faults at an early stage, helping save irreplaceable assets, buildings, and not least, human lives. As such, AFD units should always be used in residential buildings, in orphanages and homes for the elderly, and in buildings with a lot of visitors like kindergartens, schools, universities, shopping malls, and large office buildings. AFD units also provide additional protection for areas or buildings liable to catch fire easily. Arcing faults are the most frequent cause of electrical fires. Common causes of arcing faults in electrical installations are insulation faults or loose contacts. Insulation faults can sometimes be traced to damaged cable insulation caused by nails and screws or switches and claw fasteners on socket outlets, or to cables being crushed by excessively tight clamps. Cables may break if the bending radius is too narrow at the time of laying. Outdoors, insulation faults are frequently the result of UV radiation from sunlight or damage caused by rodents. Loose contacts and loose connections result from poorly fitted switches and socket outlets or their claw fixings. But that's not all. Damaged cables and loose contacts can cause arcing faults downstream of the socket outlet as well. Here, causes of cable damage include the following: cables being crushed when internal doors or windows are closed, kinks in connectors and cables caused by furniture which has been carelessly moved, damaged insulation and loose contacts in domestic appliances associated with heat and moisture, such as coffee machines, washing machines, etc., and poor quality products such as low-priced imitations. Loose contacts can often be found in multiple socket outlets or loads. This is where Siemens' patented AFD unit comes into its own, protecting you against the type of damage fires can cause. Apart from providing reliable fire protection, the device can be used for a number of other purposes as well. The AFD units are available in two versions. As the device comes in two different widths, it can be used with MCBs or RCBOs. Further functions can also be performed thanks to additional accessories like auxiliary switches or fault signal contacts. The AFD units are able to safely distinguish the arcing associated with the standard operation of such equipment as drills or vacuum cleaners from hazardous arcing faults. If an arcing fault occurs in a protected circuit, AFD units provide a reliable means of interrupting the circuit, thereby protecting people and assets against potential fire damage. It pays to use high-quality components. Products from Siemens provide your electrical installation with reliable protection. Make sure your plants have optimum protection. Stay safe with Siemens.